as leaders, we will end up in situations where we won't have enough data to support decisions. And those are the situations where, true leaders shine by taking bets that pay off eventually, even in the absence of data. So I would love to say that I had a very calculated decision making framework that I used, but I didn't. Stepping back and understanding if this is really the hardest problem that we should solve, which will move the needle forward for our business. We were quite confident that the kind of companies who would actually be successful in solving this very hard problem of typography and fonts and designs will not be a direct competitor. So these will be companies whose core business model is producing foundational models, right? And if that's so, then we should be able to license the technology from them. And so that was the big bet we took. That competitors of ours will not suddenly create this technology in the next 3 months because it's a very hard problem to solve. So we definitely rolled the dice on that bet. But equally, we also created a check on ourselves to go back into this problem space in the future if we don't see it solved within the next 6 to 8 months. So this is a concept of mechanisms that I learned in Amazon, that every process should have a feedback loop, um, at the end of which you actually evaluate whether the process or the decision is still valid. And if it's not valid, you change that. So we put that feedback loop of the next 6 to 8 months to constantly and continuously monitor the market and think if we should change our decision. So we put that feedback loop, we took the decision, we went ahead, and actually we were right.